Today's video, I'll review the Ellie Mac High Hopes Dolman top. This is a bat wing style top with a tall waistband, and you can make your neckline off the shoulder or just a regular neckline. For this pattern, it is only 5 pieces: your front, your back, your neckband, your cuffs, and your waistband. 5 pieces. This is a PDF pattern, so you will have to print it and then tape or glue your pieces together and then cut them out. This pattern runs from extra small to a size 5XL. The fabric suggested for this pattern is knits only with at least 50% stretch, and for that you'll need at least 1.5 to 2 yards of fabric. This is a picture of the top here. I made this back in December when it was very fitting for the weather. This fabric, the cheetah print, let me move my little sweetie pie into frame. I don't know if y'all can see her or not. Let me adjust. There she goes. So this cheetah print here I got from Walmart, and then this lovely mustard golden yellow color I purchased from Hobby Lobby. This is very soft. It's one of those soft knits where it really clings to you. I made a size large according to the measurements of the pattern, and it was kind of big on me. I will make this again in a medium. I would give this pattern a 5-star rating because it is easy, only 5 pieces. The instructions are also very easy to follow, and it's a comfortable top. Will I make it again? Yes. And will I make any alterations? Yes. I am shorter than most people that the patterns are made for. I do need to shorten my patterns because this tall waistband, it comes maybe right above right at my upper thigh, right below my hips, and it should come a little higher than that. So I will shorten the pattern the next time that I make it. It'll hit me where it's supposed to. What I liked about the pattern is the style of the pattern, how comfortable it is, and how easy it is to sew. Are there any dislikes that I have with this pattern? Absolutely not. I love it. It's easy, and I even had a request from a few people to make them one of these, and I wouldn't mind because this is pretty simple, so it wouldn't take a lot of my time. For styling ideas, this top can be worn with tights, leggings, jeans, even some skirts, you know, if you pair them properly. I will leave a link in the description box so that you can check this pattern out and grab it for yourselves. I don't think I paid more than $5 for it, and what I usually do is I try to catch their sales. They have great patterns that are usually on sale for $1 or $2, sometimes free. So if you're interested, I definitely recommend going to Ellie Mac's website and checking out what they have. Sign up for their newsletter, and if you hit that link in the description box, you'll get a discount on your purchase. If you're interested in seeing a tutorial for this top, leave a comment and I'll make it happen. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this top, and I'll see you next time.